Which option is better, mining or buying Bitcoin? Mining Bitcoin is a complex process that requires the use of processors. These processors, or rigs, are built specifically to mine for Bitcoin and can cost thousands of dollars. Mining rigs require an initial investment before they yield any profit. Purchasing Bitcoins outright doesn't require this upfront investment, but it does come with its own set of drawbacks. What are some of the pros and cons of Bitcoin mining versus Bitcoin trading? Mining Bitcoin requires a powerful computer that is capable of solving complex mathematical equations. This process then yields Bitcoin, which can be sold for an immediate profit on various cryptocurrency exchanges or to other Bitcoin miners. The drawback with this type of mining comes in the form of electricity costs and equipment depreciation. These two factors alone make it difficult for Bitcoin miners to break even on Bitcoin mining and make it no longer worth the investment. Buying Bitcoin requires an initial investment of cash, but does not require any upfront cost for equipment or electricity. The biggest drawback with this type of purchase is that Bitcoin can be a volatile asset, which means its current price may change at any given time without notice. This volatility can cause Bitcoin to be worth more or less than the initial purchase price. It is important to note that Bitcoin mining and purchasing Bitcoin are not mutually exclusive terms. Bitcoin miners may choose to do both, but it is advised for beginners in the cryptocurrency scene just starting out with Bitcoin mining should start by purchasing Bitcoin outright. This will eliminate the need for Bitcoin miners to worry about the upfront cost of Bitcoin mining equipment. It is also important to note that both options yield different results. Purchasing Bitcoins gives you access to their price before Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining yields immediate Bitcoin. It may be better for beginners to use purchasing Bitcoin as a way of learning the ropes before investing in Bitcoin mining or deciding whether it is worth continuing on with Bitcoin mining at all. What is Bitcoin mining? Mining Bitcoin is the process of adding Bitcoin transactions to Bitcoin's public ledger, called blockchain. The Bitcoin miner will use a powerful graphics card with a lot of RAM to create an encrypted mathematical puzzle that can only be solved by another Bitcoin miner using similar equipment in a Bitcoin mining pool. The miner who solves the puzzle gets 25 Bitcoin, which is currently worth about $40,000, as of July 2021. The Bitcoin miners that are successful in solving these puzzles have a mathematical problem to solve, and this process requires power. This means they need to be able to pay for electricity costs or other Bitcoin miner supplies. The Bitcoin can be mined in the background, but it does take up computer power and time. What is trading Bitcoin? Buying Bitcoin is a process where you buy some Bitcoin outright on an exchange or from someone who has them to sell, often called a Bitcoin trader. Purchasing Bitcoin will cost you more money initially than Bitcoin mining, but over time it is possible to make a profit from Bitcoin trading as well. You can find a link to buy/sell Bitcoin right on our website at https://chromalinnews.com/currencies/btc/bitcoin/. Is Bitcoin mining or trading more profitable? Mining Bitcoin can be profitable for those who have the appropriate equipment and electricity costs or other Bitcoin miner supplies necessary to keep their miners running smoothly. For many people, buying Bitcoin is more convenient because Bitcoin mining requires a lot of time and patience. There is also the added benefit that Bitcoin traders can buy Bitcoin from other Bitcoin miners who are looking to sell their Bitcoin. For many people, buying Bitcoin is more convenient because Bitcoin mining requires a lot of time and patience. There is also the added benefit that Bitcoin traders can buy Bitcoin from other Bitcoin miners who are looking to sell their Bitcoins. What is Bitcoin collocated mining? For those still interested in mining, there is another option. Bitcoin mining collocation. This is where Bitcoin miners are hosted at a data center. If you have the funds to invest in Bitcoin mining, this could be an option for you. The Bitcoin miner does not need the same amount of electricity or time as before, and it can be a great way to earn money from Bitcoin without having to purchase them outright. The electricity cost at those facilities are much less, 0.05 C/kWh at www.promining.com, and they also come with added security personnel and engineers to monitor the data centers 24/7. Would Elon Musk approve of Bitcoin collocated mining? With Bitcoin mining collocation, the Bitcoin miner does not need as much electricity or time, and it can be a great way to earn money from Bitcoin without having to purchase them outright. The Bitcoin miners in these facilities are monitored 24/hours per day by security personnel and engineers. These people manage all of the complex tasks that go into making sure your Bitcoin is safe. Bitcoin mining will never end, but what remains unclear is whether we should mine for coins on our own or find an option like Bitcoin mining collocations where other companies do this work for us. This all depends on how tech-savvy you are and how cheap your electricity is where you are located. The best case would be if you had renewable energy like solar panels that can power the machines, but that also comes with the added cost and maintenance of the solar panels. At www.promining.com, we use hydroelectric power to power the miners, providing cheap and renewable energy. All that is needed to make a certain Elon Musk happy. Be sure to check out all that www.promining.com has to offer and get started with Bitcoin mining today.